Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to Google Form create in laptop. In a new tab in Chrome, click on Google Apps and choose the option Forms. After this, click on Blank Form. There, assign a name to your form. Now in the Questions section, enter the content. It is possible to display the side options to determine the type of response to be used by the user. You will enter the number of options to choose from if it is a multiple choice type. Finally, you can activate the switch required so that the user must respond. Then click on Add Question to create a new one. Based on the text entered, Chrome will detect the type of response to use. You can leave it required or not. After completing this, click on Publish to create your form. There you will find some options and finally click on Publish. After this, click on the option Copy Link. You can copy the link of your form. In another tab, paste this link and you will be able to answer the survey based on the created form. When you click Submit, you will see that your response was sent correctly. Back in the form, in the Responses tab, you will see the created response and the username, this based on how you created it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.